Have you ever heard people say Bitcoin is about to halve? Many people get excited when this happens. But what does it really mean? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain Bitcoin halving in very simple English so anyone can understand. First, let's understand Bitcoin. Bitcoin is digital money. You cannot hold it in your hand like paper cash. It only exists on the internet. People can send Bitcoin to anyone in the world without using a bank. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who this person really is. Bitcoin works using thousands of computers around the world instead of one company or one government. Every Bitcoin payment is recorded on something called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain like a giant notebook. Every payment is written inside it, and everyone can see the records. Now let's talk about mining. Bitcoin mining is not digging into the ground. Instead, powerful computers solve difficult math problems. These computers help keep the Bitcoin network safe and working. When miners solve these math problems, they add a new block to the blockchain. As a reward, they receive new Bitcoins. This reward is called the block reward. This reward is how new Bitcoins are created. Every new block creates a small number of new Bitcoins. But this reward does not stay the same forever. About every 4 years, or every 210,000 blocks, Bitcoin has a special event called the halving. During a halving, the mining reward is cut in half. That is why it is called a halving. Imagine you earn $10 every day. One day, your boss says, you will now earn only $5. You are doing the same work, but getting half the reward. This is similar to what happens to Bitcoin miners. Bitcoin does this on purpose. Its creator wanted new Bitcoins to become harder to get over time. This helps prevent too many Bitcoins from being created too quickly. The first Bitcoin reward was 50 Bitcoins for every block. After the first halving, it became 25, then it became 12.5. Later, it became 6.25. Today, it is 3.125 Bitcoins per block. Each halving makes it slower for new Bitcoins to enter the market. Since fewer new coins are created every day, Bitcoin becomes more limited over time. Some miners make less money after a halving. If their electricity costs are very high, they may stop mining. Other miners continue because they believe Bitcoin will become more valuable in the future. Many investors watch every halving very closely. They believe that fewer new Bitcoins entering the market may affect supply and demand. This is one reason halvings receive so much attention. It is important to remember that a halving does not guarantee Bitcoin's price will go up. The price depends on many things, including demand, news, government rules, and the overall market. Bitcoin has another special rule. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. No one can create more than this limit. This rule is built into Bitcoin's code. Because the supply is limited and new Bitcoins become harder to create after each halving, Many people compare Bitcoin to digital gold. They believe scarcity makes it special. Now you know the basics. Bitcoin is digital money. Miners help secure the network. Every 4 years, the mining reward is cut in half. This slows the creation of new Bitcoins over time, and Bitcoin's total supply can never exceed 21 million coins. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.